Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming Wallpaper Engine and Steam are running with administrator rights. Open Task Manager to verify both processes appear and are responsive. Next, check Windows notifications and Focus Assist to ensure no app blocking is enabled. Make sure your primary display is correctly set in display settings at the intended resolution and refresh rate. If you use multiple monitors, temporarily set the target monitor as primary to test wallpaper display. Restart Wallpaper Engine after each change to apply permission and display updates. If wallpapers still do not appear, change Wallpaper Engine display mode to windowed or borderless mode. Full-screen exclusive apps commonly prevent animated wallpapers from rendering correctly on certain GPUs. Lower the wallpaper frame rate to 60 FPS or less if your GPU is under heavy load. Also, disable hardware acceleration in browsers and other apps to reduce GPU resource conflicts. Update your graphics drivers and use the integrated Steam overlay sparingly to avoid interfering with wallpaper rendering. Relaunch for persistent issues, run the Wallpaper Engine repair tool to verify shader and asset integrity. Use Steam to validate files or reinstall the app to restore any missing components and corrupt installations. If symptoms continue, clear Wallpaper Engine, cache, and reset local settings from the App Preferences menu. As a final step, create a fresh Windows user account to test whether your profile is causing corruption. Contact Wallpaper Engine support with logs if problems persist after these steps, and include your OS, GPU model, and Steam build number for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.